Looking for great Panasonic cameras to buy on Cyber Monday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, nearly half the size of most DSLRs. The DMCG X85 delivers impressive large sensor performance in the most compact camera system ever designed by Panasonic LUMIX. Thanks to the elimination of the low-pass filter, its fine detail resolving power is boosted nearly 10% over previous 16-megapixel sensors by Panasonic. Number 2, the perfect 4K technology enabled point-and-shoot camera for travelers. Featuring a super long 20 to 1200mm 60x lens, another great product by Panasonic. Number 3, compact, lightweight and easy to use. The Panasonic Full HD Camcorder HCV180K brings a fun, worry-free experience to high-resolution video capture. Featuring a 5-axis image stabilizer for maximum handheld stability. This 1080p camera's super long 50x optical zoom and up to 90x intelligent zoom quickly. Cyber Monday 2018 week sale is now online. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.